So Pakistan Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif is extending a hand of friendship to India, first from Iran, then Azerbaijan, says ready to talk with India and counter terror. Reality on the ground is for you to see. He's not countering terror. In fact, his government is permitting terrorists to organize rally. The reality is Lashkar-e-Taiba terrorists, although in the form of their political front, so to say, for religious and ideological political influence, the Markaz-e-Muslim League, the PMML, organized these rallies. Karachi, Lahore, Rawalpindi, other cities as well. But look closely on your screen. Sitting with the Lashkar-e-Taiba terrorists, one, the son of Hafiz Saeed was there. You can see him with the cap. That Hafiz Saeed's son, Talha Saeed, made and was spewing venom, made anti-India speech as well. He's a designated terrorist from India under UAPA. But then also Saifullah Qasuri, who the agencies and security forces believe was the one who orchestrated and organized the Pahalgam terror carnage. He was seen there. He's the deputy chief of Lashkar-e-Taiba. Others, as you can see in these visuals as well, not only the posters of Hafiz Saeed, but ministers of the government. So you would say only the terrorists or from Lashkar-e-Taiba are part of these public rallies. That's not true. They are flaunting not only the army chief, Field Marshal Asim Munir's posters, but sitting next to them, with them, are the Federal Minister Ahmed Khan of Pakistan. Pakistan Assembly Speaker is also seen sitting with them. There is a proper security cordon given to them. Look closely. That's Malik Muhammad Ahmed Khan. He's the Punjab Assembly Speaker. Had a very nasty statement to give against Pakistan. And then comes in the Federal Minister as well. A sitting minister of the government sitting with the terrorists of Lashkar-e-Taiba. And these are from the country that expects us to fall for their peace talk initiative again. Amid all of this, Pakistan is going all out to woo the Trump administration. There are crypto deals being done. Real estate handshakes are being offered. It's a bankrupt economy. Pakistan depends heavily on the IMF. Terror allegations are looming large. But Islamabad is betting big now on Trump-linked investments to rewrite possibly a global narrative. Will America fall for this?
Prime Minister Narendra Modi's stern warning has brought Pakistan to his knees.
ऑपरेशन सिंदूर अभी खत्म नहीं हुआ है.
While Pakistan seeks peace talks on the global forum, at home it has given a free run to terrorists who are openly rallying across the country. Lashkar-e-Taiba's terror hub was destroyed in India's precision strikes, but the venom of terror still runs deep in Pakistan. Lashkar is organizing political rallies in Rawalpindi, Lahore and Karachi, where posters of Pakistan's army chief Asim Munir are displayed alongside those of the terror outfit's chief Hafiz Saeed. Hafiz's son Talha Saeed appeared at one of the rallies. As the likely inheritor of the terror outfit, Talha Saeed was welcomed enthusiastically by supporters.
भारत से हमारा कोई वास्ता नहीं. मेरे अपने घर में 80,000 से ज्यादा दहशतगर्दी की भीड़ चलने वाले शोहदा की लाशें पड़ी हैं. मैं उन बेवाओं के सरों पर हाथ रखता हूं.
That is not all. The alleged mastermind behind the Pahalgam terror attack and deputy chief of Lashkar was also seen at one of the rallies.
पहलगाम में वाक़या हुआ है और हिंदुस्तान ने जनाब उसका मास्टरमाइंड मुझे बना दिया. मैं अपने हल्के में अपने अवाम के दरमियान ताज़ियतें करता हुआ और दुश्मन ने क्या कर दिया. मुझे पहलगाम वाक़े का मास्टरमाइंड.
These images are yet another proof of Pakistan sponsoring terror groups and sending them into India to disrupt peace. With Pranay Upadhyay and Shivani Sharma, Bureau Report, India Today.